Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here at the AA Ignition Replacement Front Wheel Hub Bearing Assembly. This front wheel hub bearing assembly works on various Infiniti and Nissan vehicles from 2008 to 2018, including the Infiniti QX60 from 2014 to 2017, the 2013 Infiniti JX35, 2008 to 2018 Nissan Altima, 2016 to 2018 Nissan Maxima, and the 2013 to 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. As for the Altima, if your vehicle's a 2008 to 2012, this also works only if you have the 3.5 liter V6. Your wheel bearings are a crucial part of the drivetrain as they allow your wheels and tires to rotate smoothly without friction. Should there be loud noises from your wheel area, loose steering, vibration, or uneven tire wear, one of your bearings may be the problem. While this wheel bearing is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct bolt-on part, thanks to the OEM mounting locations, and of course, the OEM lug pattern. Installation of these hub bearings is something you might be able to do yourself, as there are no special tools required. Just make sure you bolt down using the proper amount of torque, and always double check fitment. If you have any questions about this wheel hub bearing, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.